Top 5 Best Dishes to Eat in Vietnam. Vietnamese food is famous for good reason. The ingredients are healthy, the flavors are unique and it just tastes so damn good. In this video 5 best dishes. 1. Bún Chả. Bún Chả is a prime example of Hanoi cuisine. The main components are rice vermicelli, grilled pork, fish sauce and all the herbs you could ever want. It's a simple dish, but sometimes the most unassuming are the best. 2. Bánh mì. Besides some colonial architecture, bánh mì is the most prominent remnant of the French colonial days. Millions of flaky loaves are baked every day, and for millions of people, a bánh mì sandwich is the best kind of breakfast. They're cheap and delicious, a great start to any busy day. 3. COMMENT. This one is basically Vietnamese calamari. Some restaurants serve the squid whole, but more often it's sliced into loops and fried with fish sauce or chili. Since Vietnam is a coastal nation, the squid is fresh. Fried squid is popular in Vietnam because it's an easy dish to share. 4. Bun Mim. It seems like every food stall has a different list of ingredients for this dish. It's a hodgepodge of whatever was on sale at the local market that morning, but the essentials don't really change: rice vermicelli, fish paste, seafood, pork and some combination of greens and sprouts. It's much heartier than its cousin, pho, which is just one of the reasons why we love it. 5. Chả Cá Thăng Long. This is fish cooked with dill, marinated in turmeric, ginger, garlic, and fish sauce. It's especially popular in its hometown of Hanoi. As with much Vietnamese cuisine, this dish is all about balancing flavors and textures.